video guys, let's see how we can generate a text stream using Gemini API. By default, the model returns a response after completing the entire text generation process. You can achieve faster interaction by not waiting for the entire result, and instead you can use streaming to handle partial results. Let's see the development part of things. You can use the generate content stream method and pass the prompt itself. This calls the Gemini API to generate text, but instead of getting the entire response at once, it streams the output as it's generated. Once you have the response in the result, the await keyword is used because this is an asynchronous operation, meaning it takes some time for the model to generate text. So the code waits for the result to be ready for await. This is an asynchronous loop that processes data as it arrives. Since the response is coming in chunks, small pieces, the loop iterates through each chunk as soon as it's available. Each chunk is a small part of the total text that is being streamed from the Gemini model. Result.stream is a stream of chunks being sent back by the Gemini. The API sends the text in multiple parts instead all at once, which is useful for longer text generation. Chunk.text extract the actual text from each chunk. Process.stdout writes each part of the generated text to the console in real time, creating a live continuous output of generated text. Let's see in action.